What's going on? They call me Bruce, and what am I eating today? Well, my car's smelling pretty good, because I got me a whole bunch of Dunkin' Donuts. And the first thing I got is the Maple Bacon Snacker, which there ain't a whole lot in there. For $1.50, you think you get more. It's sugary, it's mapley, it's bacony. That's some goodness right there. Oh, that one's really got some maple on it. It's almost gone already. Alright, so if you like bacon, you like maple, you're gonna like the Bacon Maple Snacker. It's kind of a in-between crispy and chewy. I don't know how you like your bacon. If you like it really crispy, you're not gonna like it. If you like it really chewy, no crisp at all, maybe you're not gonna like it. But as long as you're somewhere in between the two, that's what this is. Because it's Dunkin' Donuts. They microwave it. Alright, it comes pre-made to the store. They microwave it when you order it. They're not frying it right there. Oh yeah, this is good stuff. And with that, it's empty. That's it. That's how good it is, because this is the first item I finished before I moved on. Speaking of moving on, I've got the Charlie cold brew. I asked one of my coworkers, and she said it's cold brew with some 3 pumps of caramel swirl, and she said it's about as basic bitch a drink as you can get. To which I said, not during pumpkin spice season. Alright, so I'm already predisposed towards liking it, hearing what the flavor profile is. Ooh. Okay. That was more caramel than I was expecting. So, I don't know if this didn't get mixed in or if it really is that much caramel. But that first sip, whole lot of caramel. And that's some long roasted, well, it's not roasted because it's cold brew. That's long, cold, steeped coffee, because this taste is pretty strong. The taste is stronger than a usual Dunkin' Donuts coffee. It's like almost like Starbucks strong of a taste. Caffeine kick, I don't know, but the taste is really strong. So that must be why they put so many pumps of caramel in there. Pretty good. Alright. And the one I know you were all expecting me to pull out when you saw the bag on the thumbnail. The Ghost Pepper Donut. I don't know. The color is a little too... The color is not intimidating, right? You say it's a ghost pepper. There's like glittery and pink and magenta. on a regular donut. They also have a spider donut, but that looks like it's just a spider flavored, a spider shaped fondant. So I'm not expecting that to be anything I've never tasted before. But I'm gonna give this one a try. Actually, I don't know if I've ever had ghost pepper anything. All right. Okay, so that first whole thing was all sweet. I was about to say they must call this ghost pepper because it ain't there. But then at the very, very end, you taste that pepper spice. I mean, for the reputation a ghost pepper has, this donut not that spicy. Just enough so that you know it's there. Some kind of a berry flavored cream. I mean, I guess it works. It's not really two flavors I would put together, like generic berry flavored cream with pepper. But like the sweet bit is too table sugary for me. Like that, you can really taste the simple sugar, and then there's the mixed berry flavor, and then you have the pepper spice. I mean, I guess they say you use sweet to counter the capsaicin. It's one of the things that they say to use. I think they overwent on the simple sugar sweetness as opposed to like a flavored sweetness, and not enough of like the berry. But I mean, it's all right. It was an experience. All right. So that's it. The two snacks are eaten, and then I'm gonna finish this drink later. They call me Bruce. That's what I've been eating. And somebody else's car just got touched. Be sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't, hit the bell icon for notifications, and until next time, good journey.